Good morning. I'm going to show you really quickly how to post on your Google Business profile. It's real simple. I'm on my profile, but when you log into your Google Business account, type in the name of your business, or you can find it right here by clicking on the blue tent. Once you're on your profile, scroll down till you see add an update, add an image of what you want the client to see. Don't put any contact, email, website, phone number on the image. Write a description about what the image is about or a message you want to put out to your clients. No contact information, website, or phone number here. And then they offer you a button which gives you these options: book, order online, buy, learn more, sign up, call now. I use learn more, which is basically a URL back to a website which you're still developing, so maybe for now just hit the call now and it will automatically populate the number from your Google Business profile that you listed. Alright, there you go. So that's how you post. You can also add an offer and an event. So these are great buttons for additional things, maybe a special offer or an event coming up you want to post. It goes through the same process. All right. That's how you post on your Google Business profile.